Sagutan natin tong problem. Solve the differential equation xy dx plus quantity x squared plus y squared dy equals 0. So, this type of DE is a homogeneous DE kasi yung mga functions na nakamultiply kay dx saka kay dy, puro yung sum ng degree ng bawat term ay 2. So, sa dx, meron tayong x to the first, y to the first. So, ang sum niyan is 1 plus 1, 2. Dito naman sa dy, ang sum or yung pinaka-degree ng bawat term ay 2. X squared and y squared. So, kaya homogeneous DE ito. So, pwede natin gamitin yung substitution for homogeneous DE. So, we can let x be equal to Vy and then get the derivative of both sides or the differential. We will have dx is equal to V dy plus y dv. And then substitute natin sa original DE. So yung x palitan natin ng Vy. So magiging Vy times y, copy lang. Itong dx papalitan natin ito. Quantity V dy plus y dv plus, so x squared, again yung x gawing Vy, so Vy quantity squared plus y squared, copy na lang, times dy, copy, equal 0. Then simplify natin, so Vy times y times V dy plus y dv, so bale magiging Vy squared times V dy plus y dv plus, so Vy quantity squared, so magiging V squared y squared, right? Plus y squared times dy equals 0. Tapos pwede nating i-factor out dito si y squared, oh. So copy lang natin tong Vy squared times quantity V dy plus y dv plus, so factoring out y squared here, magiging y squared times quantity V squared plus 1 dy equals 0. So notice, pwede nating ma-cancel out itong y squared by dividing both sides by y squared. Okay? So, maka-cancel si y squared dito. So, magiging v times v dy plus y dv na lang ito. Plus, ito magiging v squared plus 1 times dy equals 0 over y squared still 0. So, distribute muna natin itong v. So, magiging v times v dy, v squared dy, plus v times y dv, magiging vy dv, plus quantity v squared plus 1 dy equals 0. Okay, so, combine natin yung parehong may differential dy. So, pwede kong i-factor out dito si dy. So, magiging v squared plus itong quantity v squared plus 1 times, factor out natin si dy. Tapos copy plus vy dv equals 0. Combine natin yung similar terms. So, v squared plus v squared, magiging 2v squared plus 1 times dy plus vy dv equals 0. So, magiging separable DE ito. So, pwede nating i-multiply both sides by, so alisin natin si 2v squared plus 1 kay dy, multiply ko by 1 over 2v squared plus 1. Tapos, dito sa dv, alisin ko si y, so multiply ko by 1 over y. So, distribute this term. So, sa unang term, makakancel out si 2v squared plus 1, matitira is dy over y. Plus, ito sa second term, makakancel out naman si y. So, matitira is v dv over 2v squared plus 1 equals, so this expression times 0, 0 pa rin. Then, pwede na nating integrate both sides. So, for the integral ng dy over y, L and y lang yan. Next, for the integral ng v dv over 2v squared plus 1, pwede tayong gumamit ng u sub. I-let yun natin itong denominator, 2v squared plus 1. Get the derivative of u du. Derivative of 2v squared plus 1. So, yung 2v squared derivative ay 4v. plus derivative ng 1, 0, so wala na, then dv. So, ang kailangan lang natin is v dv sa original integral. Alisin natin yung 4 by dividing both sides by 4. So, magiging du over 4 is equal, so cancel the 4 v dv. So, substitute natin, magiging integral ng, so itong v dv, ito na siya, du over 4 over 2v squared plus 1, u na lang. So, magiging 1/4, gilid yung constant, integral ng du over u. So, bali 1/4, integral ng du over u, ln u. Then, balik natin yung u as 2v squared plus 1. So, magiging 1/4 ln ng 2v squared plus 1. So, pagsamahin natin, so meron tayong ln y plus itong 1/4 ln of 2v squared plus 1. Then, equal to the integral of 0. So, gawin na lang natin constant of integration. So, simplify natin further. So, eliminate ko itong constant na 4 by dividing both sides by 4. So, magiging 4 ln ng y plus, cancel the 4, magiging ln of 2v squared plus 1 equals 4 times c, 4c. Or absorbin lang yan ng constant yung 4, pwedeng c na lang. Tapos applyan natin ng property ng logarithm. So, pwede itong maging ln y to the 4th, right? Plus ln ng 2v squared plus 1 equals c. Tapos, pagsamahin natin, product rule for logarithm, magiging ln y to the 4th times 2v squared plus 1 equals c. Then, gawin natin exponent both sides as the base e. So, makakancel to, magiging y squared times 2v squared plus 1 na lang equals e raised to c. Yung e, ma-absorb uli ni c, gawin nyo na lang constant c. Tapos, ibalik natin yung v as y and x. Diba yung substitution natin kanina is x is equal to vy. So, solving for v here, divide both sides by y. So, magiging x over y is equal to v. So, bale magiging y squared times 2 times quantity v, gawin natin x over y squared plus 1 equals c. Sige, tuloy natin dito. So, simplify na lang natin to, magiging y squared times, so, distribute the exponent 2. So, 2x squared over y squared plus 1 equals c. Okay, so pwede nyong i-distribute itong y squared. So, makakancel dito si y squared, magiging 2x squared plus, correction, this should be y to the 4th, right? Y to the 4th. So, mangyayari, y to the 4th to, pag dinistribute natin, makakancel si y squared, pero meron ka pang matitirang y squared. So, bale 2x squared, y squared. Plus y to the 4th times 1, y to the 4th equals c. So, therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, now it's your turn. Try ko namang sagutan itong 3 times 3x squared plus y squared dx minus 2xy dy equals 0. And just comment your answers.